person to four-person. So please give me the opportunity to read out our demand, our representation. And your government, your treacherous action seems to have no limit, even to the extent of betraying the church. May the Lord have mercy on your soul. You have resorted to state-sponsored terror and mercilessly butcher to young promising Naga youth and injure many more. All were shot from behind, and you are directly responsible for this. The AYO therefore demand that your own responsibility of your action and the action of your government and resign from the offices held by you immediately. Failure to do so, the Angami Youth Organization will hold a vendetta against you all the days to come. May the Almighty also condemn you to the pits of hell in the event of your failure. The bodies of our brother who have sacrificed their life for the Naga people will not be laid to rest until our demands are met. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give us some time to serve our representation to this poor person. Thank you.